Virgin Island, where there's no sunlight there.
Okay na.
A pleasant morning to each and everyone, especially to you, Mr. Robin. We are the Blue 4 and we are assigned to make a slogan on the rights of LGBTQIA+ community. Before we start on our main slogan, we found a slogan that we think is just very creative, so we would like to share it first, which is
Maging bayani ng lesbayan, ibaklaban ating karapatan.
the slogan is just very creative. Be a hero of the nation. Let's fight for our rights. Moving on to our main slogan, a queen love is what we deserve, so they can slay and serve.
Yay!
Whatever your color is, a special place in the palette will always exist. As you can see, we use the word queendom because most of us in the group think that queendom is much better than kingdom, because I surveyed that when they are around women, especially the LGBTQIA people, are more comfortable with them. And I think I myself is a part of LGBTQIA+ community, and I have more girlfriends than guy friends, and I feel more comfortable with them, and I consider them as my safe space and my home. And as you can see, we use the gay window here, which is so they can stay and serve. That means so they can be free and express who they are without the feeling of insecurity and fear of being part of that community or what people perceive as being normal. Whatever your color is, refer to the color of the pride flags. And in case you didn't know, there are more than 20 pride flags. But going back, a special place in the palette will always exist. Means that whenever you're feeling like you're an outcast, disrespected, or discriminated, just remember that you are special, you are you, and no one can ever take that away from you. Just like Lady Gaga said, no matter gay, straight, or bi, lesbian, transgender life, you're on the right track, baby. You were born to survive, from her song, Born This Way. And that's all for our presentation. I hope you stand beside us to fight for LGBTQIA+ rights.